Hello, my family members. As all of you requested me to upload verbal ability questions for upcoming Accenture exam, so today I will cover most important questions from sentence arrangement. Today's session is going to be very conceptual and informative, so keep watching till the end. Before we proceed, I would be glad if you subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding Accenture preparation. Link will be in the description box. Watch that. Okay, let's go to the questions. This is the first problem. Try to pause the video and solve the question. Okay. Okay, I'm answering. The answer is actually BCDA. How I am answering? Actually, the opening sentence, without newspapers, no fresh information about facts are possible, is linked with another clause through conjunction and, right? And followed by B, which is describing the consequence in A, right? So hence the answer will be BCDA, right? Okay, let's go to the next question, that is this, right? Pause the video and solve the problem. I am answering very soon because it will, otherwise it will enhance the video time, right? So I'm answering the question. So the answer will be BDSC. Actually, the subject, a police official, is followed by the phrase be, as it is describing the role of the police official, right? And then phrase B is linked with D, right? Linked with D, as it is describing the limitations a police official has, which is followed by conclusion phrase C, right? So the answer will be BDSE. Okay, the next question is this. Pause the video and solve the problem. Okay, I'm answering. The answer will be actually ABCD. The phrases are actually already given in a proper way. That is, the subject is followed by a verb and adjectives and objects in the end, right? So this will be answered. The next question is this. I'm again requesting you to pause the video and solve by yourself so that you can enhance your knowledge and capability, right? Okay, I'm answering. So the answer is actually DCBA, right? DCBA. How I'm answering? The opening sentence, the event team is subject, which is followed by the verb has been making endeavors, right? Has been making endeavors, which will be followed by the action of the doer, right? Which will be followed by the action of the doer, right? So DCBA will be the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. That is this. Please pause the video and solve the problem. Okay, I'm answering. The answer will be ADBC. And my mother said to me is the reported verb, and the reported speech is arranged in the order of verb and object at the end, right? So that it can be ADBC, right? A, D, B, C. So my mother said to me to pile up my clothes and arrange my shoes on the shelf, right? This is very easy. So the next question is this. I am requesting you to solve the problem by yourself. I am giving you this question as quiz. So solve this problem and give me the proper option in the comment, right? So the next question is this. Try to pause the video and solve the problem. Okay, I'm answering. The answer will be actually 1423. How? Actually, let's read the question in this sequence so that it could be easier, right? Sieve the flour and the baking powder, salt and powder sugar. Then mix eggs, milk and oil in the flour mix. Turn on the induction and heat the pan. Now brush the pan with oil. This is so meaningful, right? So this will be the answer. So the next question is this. I am requesting you to solve the problem by yourself so that it can be more valuable for you and your upcoming campus exam, right? So please solve the problem and give me the proper option in the comment box, right? Okay, I'm skipping this question. So the next question is, below mentioned that some sentence rearrange the sentences, right, in a meaningful paragraph. Okay, I hope you have tried to answer the question. I am answering the question. The answer is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. It is already in a proper sentence arrangement, right? So actually strong tremors were felt in the northern part of the Italy. However, no casualties or damage was reported. Mid tremors of 3.6 magnitude were also felt in the southern part of the country, but no one felt the sick. This is actually very easy, right? It is already in a proper manner, so I don't have to explain anymore, right? So the next question is this. I think this is the last question. So the question is this. Just think that the and this the compound word like and or but conjunction type words, right? These are actually hardly possible to come in the first of a sentence, right? So this should not be at the first number, right? So at first think as they are at the last position, right, so that it could be easier. So start with others, right? So let's start. So his friends, actually the sentence, Sam was a drug addict, so his friends insisted him to give it up. Initially, he did have some problems as he was addicted to it, but he was determined and focused, and now he is a 6 months sober. This sound good, right? So I think this should be the last question and the end of the session. I hope you have already answered the previous questions in the comment section and subscribe this channel. Thank you for this session.